Hey guys, so I just want you guys to quickly review L2, which is how to use appositive phrases in sentences. So remember, an appositive phrase is extra information about a noun or pronoun. And when you're writing a sentence, it needs to be placed next to the noun or pronoun that it's modifying. So you can put them in the middle, the beginning, or the end as long as it's next to the noun or pronoun so the sentence isn't confusing. So the insect, a large cockroach, is crawling across the kitchen table. So a large cockroach is our appositive phrase. It is modifying insect. So notice right next to it, and we have commas on both sides, because if you took it out of the sentence would still make sense. So it interrupts the natural flow of the sentence. So you got to put commas around it. If your appositive phrase comes at the beginning of the sentence, a large piece of furniture, the bookshelf was moved first. It has a comma after it, separating it from the main sentence, and that is modifying bookshelf. And then the last one, Jasmine was the belle of the ball in her new dress, a turquoise ball gown. There's our positive, modifying dress. Notice the comma separating the appositive phrase from the main sentence. So when you talk about combining sentences, we have Mara's sundae started to melt when she took it outside. The sundae was a mountain of ice cream. So we have a main sentence here, and then we're going to have extra information, and we know the sundae is we know the sundae is the noun we're going to be modifying. So to rewrite that sentence, then we'll say Mara's sundae, and then we have that extra information. So here we'll add it, a mountain of ice cream. Started to melt. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, so I have this. A mountain of ice cream is our appositive phrase, modifying the sundae. So you're going to practice this, combining sentences using appositive phrases. So just remember those rules. You should be fine.